Without doing these things, teaching our young children, our young generation, of particularly the human tradition, the culture of our municipality, nakasigurado tayo nga hanga mapukaw dito because that is our identity. Iso ti identity iti taga munisipyo ti La Trinidad. Dagitoy binoy-buya tayo nga manunga oras nga nagparaparti. Ano ya? Because that is actually the culture that we're taught. Hindi pa lang kanda tayo kan binibuya tayo, and it must be shown right now to our younger generation. So mind you, we starting datoy apo itikas lang ang first nga IP month celebration tayo of our term. Expect more to happen in the next celebration. We will involve more. Involve tayo dagito being involved to the community because that is culture.